So the third example today says XYZ share 85 naira. So that for every 1 naira that X gets, Y gets 3 naira, and for every 2 naira that Y gets, Z gets 3 naira. Find Y's share. Now, if X has 1 share, Y has 3 shares. So Z gets 1/2 times as much as Y. Z gets 1/2 times as much as Y. So Z gets 1/2 times as much as Y. Hence, Z gets 4/1/2 shares. So it is the ratio of 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1/2. So when we multiply 2 by 2, we have 2:6:9. So that would be 2 plus 6 plus 9, which is 17. Now, for 17, we now have 1/17 of 85 naira is 5 naira. 1/17 of 85 naira is 5 naira. So when Y gets 6 naira of 85 naira, that means Y gets 6 times 5. If Y gets 6 naira of it, because we have it to be X, Y, and Z. So Y gets 30 naira of the total amount of money. Y gets 30 naira of the total amount of money. Now, the last question for today says A and B invest money in a business. A invests 525,000 naira for 4 months and B invests 900,000 naira for 3 months. How should they share the first year's profit of 272,000 naira? So we have A and B investing money in a business where A invests 525,000 naira. A invests 525,000 for 4 months and B invests 900,000 for 3 months. How should they share the year's profit of 272,000 naira? So for A's investment of 4 months, we have 525,000 times 4. We have it to be 2.1 million naira month. And for B as well, we have it to be 900,000 times 3. We have it to be 2.7 million naira. We have to be 2.7 million naira. So the investments are between the ratio of 21,000,000 to 27,000,000. Now, this is between the ratio of 7:9, dividing it by 3. So we have 7 plus 9 to be equals to 16. We have 7 plus 9 to be equals to 16. So if we have, so A should get 7/16 of the profit and B should get 9/16 of the profit. So 1/16 of the profit of 272,000 is equal to 17,000 naira. So 7/6 of the profit of A will now be 7 times 17,000, which gives 119,000 naira, and B gets 9 times 17,000, which is 153,000 naira. So here A will get 119,000 and B will get 153,000, where when they share the first year's profit of 272,000, A will get 119,000 and B gets 153,000. And this brings us to the end of our class on proportional division and ratios, rates, and proportions, where we've talked in our previous videos about ratios, comparison of ratios, rates, and today on proportional division. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I remain praised by name, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.